Cut only the lean meat section of the pork belly, leaving the skin intact. Rub the marinade only onto the lean meat. Coat evenly and marinate for 6 hours in the refrigerator. Bring a pot of water to a boil. Add the blanching ingredients and the pork belly skin side down. Boil for 10 minutes. Remove the pork belly and pat it completely dry. Use a skin pricking tool, or a fork, to pierce the pork skin all over. Rub white vinegar and baking soda onto the skin. After 10 minutes, wipe off the baking soda. Rub salt onto the pork skin and leave for 10 minutes. Wipe off all seasonings and moisture from the skin. Heat a wok or frying pan with a little oil. Place the pork belly skin side down. Cover with a lid, and pan fry over medium-low heat for 15 to 20 minutes. Check the crackling. Once the skin is crispy enough, turn over and fry the lean meat side. Cover with a lid and cook over medium-low heat for 10 minutes. Fry the remaining sides until evenly browned. Remove and place on a plate, skin side up. Rest for 20 minutes. Scrape off any burnt spots. Slice and serve.